Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Extra's Treats. Today we're going to be making this eggless orange cake in a mug. This is tangy but sweet. So let's get started. So we're going to start out in our mug and we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and mix this together. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of sugar and stir this up too. Now we're making an orange mug cake, which means we're going to need some oranges. So we're going to take the zest of an orange, we're going to measure that to 1/2 teaspoon of orange zest, and we're going to mix this in. And now if you're making fresh orange juice, which I highly recommend, you're going to need a strainer so that there's no seeds in our orange juice. So we're going to cut this up and measure to 4 tablespoons of orange juice. We're going to also add in 1 tablespoon of flavorless oil and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla and mix this up. We're going to take our finished batter and we're going to microwave this for 1 to 2 minutes. While our orange cake is being microwaved, we're going to mix in 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of orange juice to make our icing. If it's lumpy like this, add a little more orange juice to get it smooth. We're going to add in a little food coloring to make it pretty. This is optional. Okay, back to our cake. We're going to know it's ready when there are no wet spots on top, and when we put a toothpick in, it comes out nice and clean. So now we're going to add in our icing on top. It's time for a bite. This looks delicious and it's soft and fluffy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you made this delicious, soft and fluffy orange mug cake.